So, the preparation of Ma Durga's crown hair dress already finished. মা আসছে আমাদের বাড়ি, তাই না? The feelings of that particular moment can't explain, right? Something different, something else. Though the new age situation, new generation, or this time situation is not perfect for us, but still in Bengali word, one word was there, that is বাঙালি সবসময় আশায় বাঁচে. So we have to keep on faith that we shall overcome. So let's start today's dance class, class 1 and 2, to welcoming our goddess, supreme goddess, Durga. Go. So here we have to start the class. Let's start today's class. Bajulo Tomar Alur Benu. I taught already in the beginning of the portion. Now we will come to end the middle of the portion. Okay? Now you just follow me whatever I will do. Okay? Fine. We just end here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, Alur Benu. Now, the music part will start. So here I taught in the offline classes to you that how to do the improvisation. Improvisation means you can use any kind of prop or anything to show your talent by your own side. Okay, you have to do whatever you want to do. Okay, that is up to you, and just only music part. Try to use some these things you can use. Yes, you just follow me. This is available in my home, that's why I use this. This is called chamor, so I can use it. Okay, like this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. In which music, that I will show you. This thing now, come back to the Wardic part. Okay? অন্তরে যা লুকিয়ে রাজে অরুণ বিনায় সে সুর বাজে. So follow me. 1. Use Hangshashya mudra. অন্তরে যা লুকিয়ে রাজে. তাহলে কি হলো 1 2 3 গো অন্তরে যা লুকিয়ে আছে ওকে অরুণ বি না সে সুর বাজে only two corner and the middle left corner right corner middle okay now let's start with the music now সেই আনন্দ যজ্ঞে সবার মধুর আমন্ত্রণ so what it is see 1 and 2 3 and 4 1 and 2 3 and 4 সেই আনন্দ যোগে সবার ওকে মধুর আমন্ত্রণ তাহলে কি হলো so what it is 1 2 3 go 3 time only 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 and 1 2 3 1 okay so start with the music so this much of part you have to practice understood so many mudras are there so many things are there you have to use here this is 4 time movement okay keep it in your mind one pataka mudra only 1 2 3 1 and 1 2 3 1 lock your hand then 1 2 3 1 and 1 2 3 1 and right side left hand left side right hand okay so এই আনন্দ যোগে সবার মধুর আমন্ত্রণ মাতলো রে ভুবন বাজলো তোমার তোর বেনু clear this is ala padma mudra you have to practice this much of portion you have to practice before pre-puja celebration I will collect the videos from your side okay keep practicing and once again till the Durga Puja end I have to wish you all a very very happy Durga Puja thank you नमस्कार।